Night of the Scorpion by Nizim Ezekiel. Introduction. The Night of the Scorpion was written by Nizim Ezekiel. The poem has no rhyme scheme. It is about an devil occurrence that the poet has never forgotten in his life. It was time at night when his mother was bitten by a poisonous scorpion. The poem reveals the superstitions of Indian villagers and also motherhood of rural lady. It is the incident happened at the time when the poet was in childhood, but he still remembers it. On a rainy night, the poet's mother was stung by a scorpion, which was compelled to crawl beneath a sack of rice by 10 hours continuous heavy rain. After injecting the poet's mother with its diabolic tail, the scorpion went back to rain outside again. The neighboring peasants rushed to the poet's home in a large number after hearing about the incident. The poet calls them the swarms of flies as he feels unhappy on their coming, who buzz the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil one. They started to search the scorpion with their candles and lanterns, and their shadows themselves seemed to be like a giant scorpion on mud baked walls. They believed that as the scorpion moves, the poison will spread more and more through mother's blood. Here, the poet shows the superstitions of Indian villagers. Being failure to seek the scorpion, villagers began to tell his mother that the poison may help her to burn the sins of her previous birth and also decrease the misfortunes of her next birth. The poet's mother lays on ground and peasants surrounded her. Some of them continue to tell her that the pain will balance evil deeds against her good deeds. Some say that her desiring and ambitious mind will be purified by this poison of scorpion. More and more villagers come with candles and lanterns. The poet's mother on the mat is crying and rolling with pain. As the people are very superstitious, they do not care for his mother but for his father, who is trying to give relief his mother by medicating with powder and herbs. He also poured a little paraffin on the beaten toe and put a match to it. All the irritational activities, the poet was standing there. The last part of the poem is very heart touching and full of emotion. It shows the motherhood of a rural lady who says God thanks for choosing her for this hard pain instead of her children. Thanks to watch this.